Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to become a Cardano millionaire. But before we jump in, let me remind you, this is the Day Trader channel where we bring you all kinds of crypto related content. We're going to be doing a Cardano giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be giving away 100 ADA. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now let's jump into the numbers. Now, first of all, what we want to see is in terms of market cap where Cardano sits at right now. It is currently number 5 with around $40 billion in terms of market cap. But if we ignore stable coins, it would actually be sitting at number 4. So Cardano definitely a top 5 token. Now, let's look at the resilience of Cardano. As you may know, in the past month, we've been having some sort of a bearish trend, and all, if not most of the coins right now have lost around 50% or more of their value when compared to their previous all-time high. So let's take a look at a couple of coins, all of them in the top 10 right now, and see what their current loss is, at least at the moment of making this video. Now, ADA's current price is around $1.28, and its all-time high in the past year was around $2.46. So that's around a 48% loss. And in terms of all of the coins, at least I'm looking at today, it is the most resilient coin. Typically, Bitcoin has been the most resilient coin, and it probably still is the majority of days. But today's comparison, for some reason, ADA is looking a little bit more resilient. Let's see, Bitcoin sitting around $33,000 with a previous all-time high of $64,000, with a current loss of around 48.4% of the value at its all-time high. Ethereum losing a little bit of steam. We had hit previously, I believe this was a wick, but that's the data given to me by the TradingView webpage. We use the same data from the Binance app on TradingView. So Ethereum, from its all-time high of $4,600 on the way to $1,860, around 59, around 60% total loss. BNB token, around 60% loss, down all the way to $280 from about $700. XRP, 68.9% loss, down to $0.61, all the way down from $1.96. Polkadot, which we did a video not too long ago, around 71% down from its previous all-time high, and Litecoin around 68.9%. So as you can see, the two most resilient coins out of all of these are ADA and Bitcoin. Now, if we're heading towards a bear market, it is better to hold resilient coins like ADA, like Bitcoin, maybe like Ethereum. But if we're going into a bull market, it might be like, if this is just a little downwards trend and we're going to go up eventually not too far from here, then it might be a good idea to invest in some of the discounted coins such as Polkadot or the Binance token. Now, as we can see over here, this is just a little screen grab from the TradingView webpage. In the past year, as of June 27th, 2020, ADA has already gone up 1,445%, 1,400%. That's a 15.45x in the past year. So anybody who bought ADA 1 year or more ago definitely bought in early, and they are reaping the benefits. But of course, there's still a long way ahead to go, and that's why we're going to try to calculate here. How much ADA do I need today to become a millionaire in the future? Okay, so today the price of ADA at the moment I'm making the video is around $1.28. Now we're going to be looking at some time frames and some price predictions over the next 5 to 10 years. So as what you can see here is the price, the estimated time frame, and the amount of ADA you need, as well as how much it would cost you. So for a price of $5, we would need around 200,000 ADA to become a millionaire, and that would cost us around $256,000 at the moment. For a price of $10 per coin, we need 100,000 ADA, which would cost us around $128,000 today. Now, like, let's look further down the line. Let's see, like 3 to 5 years down from here. If we want a $25 ADA, if we have a $25 ADA, it would cost us today, we would need today about $40,000 ADA to become a millionaire, which would be around $51,000. And at a price of $50 per token, we need around 20,000 ADA, which would cost us around $25,000. Now, what about if we're talking about 5 to 10 years down the line and we are predicting $100 per token? We need 10,000 ADA, which would have a price right now around $12,800. Now, that is very expensive. And come on, guys, let's be honest. We could have done that for a lot cheaper way back here, but we're not going to be crying over spilt milk and things that we didn't do because we didn't really know. So what can we do right now? So that's what we need to, how much we need to invest in order to become a millionaire. But that's not all the story, because let's remember, ADA is a proof of stake coin, which means if you're staking your coin, you get at the moment around 5% returns. So let's say over the 5 years, we're going to have an average of 4% returns when you are staking. So how much money would you need? Okay, so at a price of $5 per token, we would need around $256,000 without staking. So the black table is not staking, the blue table is staking. So let's go to the blue table. We're going to need 160,000 tokens at $205,000 to become a millionaire at $5 per token. Okay, so you can compare over here. That's about 20% less than we need with the unstaked. Okay, so let's see. At a value of $10 per token, staked over 5 years. So I'm predicting. So this is a different number now. This is not just the price in terms of time. This is assuming at the end of 5 years, these are going to be the prices of ADA. So at the end of 5 years, we're going to have $5, $10, $25, $50, $100. So 5 years worth of staking in order to get to these prices. So at $10, we would need 80,000 tokens compared to 100,000 not staked, and $100,000 compared to $128,000. At a price of $25 per token, we would need 32,000 tokens compared to 40,000 at a price of 41K compared to 51K when we are not staking. At a price of $50 per token, we would need $16,000 tokens, I'm sorry, at around $20,000. And at $100 per token, we would need around 8,000 tokens at $10,200 overall price. So if you want to become a millionaire and we're expecting $100 per coin, you're going to be investing around $10,000 to $11,000 to $10,000 to $11,000 today in order to get that 8 or more thousand ADA and stake it. So you're going to be needing 10,000 ADA to become a millionaire at $100. Now that's not the whole story, because if you are willing to take a little bit of a risk and not just hodl for the long time, you can actually swing trade, and we're going to be selling top-ish and buying dip-ish. So assuming this market cycle continues upwards and we're not just entering a 2-3 year bear market. Let's say we hit a top in 2022 or 2021 or maybe even early 2023. And we're assuming we're going to be needing 20,000 ADA over 5 years at a price target of $50. So about this bracket right here. Okay. So how much ADA do we need? So assuming we do things perfectly and using some of the most optimistic price predictions that I've been seeing online, let's say we buy today at $1.28 and we're selling at $10, very close to its peak at the top of the bull market. And then we wait for a dip and we buy back at around $1.2. Then we would need 2,400 tokens and we would invest around $3,000 today. So that would be a 7x from here to here, 7.8x, and then followed by an 88% drop to buy back over here. So we would need to invest around $3,000 and then time the market very, very well in order to make those 20,000 ADA tokens, which would be worth $1 million if we hit the target price of $50 per coin. Now, let's look at a more realistic scenario, and we are going to sell top-ish and buy bottom-ish. So let's say we buy today at 128. We're going to be selling at around $7 per token and buying back at around $1.25 per token. So that would mean we would need today 2,572 tokens at around $4,500. So $4,500 invested today and targeting the market appropriately might make us a millionaire if we hit that $50 per coin in the future. That would be a 5.45x from here, from this price all the way to $7 per token, followed by an 82% drop all the way to $1.25. Now let's remember, when we've had bear markets in the past, Bitcoin usually drops around 80, 85%, Ethereum 90, 95%, and altcoins usually bleed around 95% or more. So a drop of 88% or 82% are actually very realistic. And I would say the 5x or the 7x are realistic as well, though definitely I cannot tell you that I can predict the future. Well, if you like the video, let's be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So thank you for coming today. And let me remind you guys that when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving 100 ADA away to one of my subscribers. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, and share this with your friends. See you guys for the next video. Bye-bye.